Okay, here we are in data processing, and we're looking at the section and structures renumbering. Renumbering sections is very straightforward. You might have started on site at 1.51 and generally the sections were increasing, not necessarily in numerical order, because any gaps then get shrunk down and removed. So we might have, say, been on 151, but we want to call it 101D. And so we're looking at, and we're going to simply put in 1.01D, and we will number it like that. And it says it's renumbered only in that particular river from 101 to 153, and it's then stored in a file with a suffix renumbered 01.dat. The data is always saved. It in a sense, it's not. There are backups, and it's not the original file is not ordered. You get that an appended suffix there. And so we can go into renumbering structures. Again, you might want to, there's your file at the top. You might have wanted to insert a structure where you, for whatever reason, you've actually inserted a new structure that you didn't have originally, and you just want to keep the structure numbers in the right sequence from 101 upwards, from structure number 1 there, and you might have had up to 10 structures, and you've got a new structure and it's 7A, so you can simply renumber the structures in that format. Reverse section numbers is a very special option. There's our file again. It is only used to reverse the data in a file that is then used in Mike 11 software, and it actually has reversed that data. And I'm just going to go and see if we can find that file, and it will come up on this Explorer here. Date modified. Oh, there it is, reversed. And what it's done, it's simply gone from the top of the file and worked to the bottom of the file and renumbered the sections automatically all the way down through. The only problem with this is that it does remove the D's and the U's. So if you were wanting to do an export of the Mike 11 format, which is a top-down both top-down chainage, and your chainage starts at the top there, this top section. It's the most northerly section here on those chords, and it started that as chainage 0, left the level in, but it's called it 101. And that's quite a significant change. Obviously, you only do it if you know what you're doing. I can prove that top section in this old file, which hasn't been renumbered, is on the 101. It's going back on the 1 series river, 152, 153. So here we are, 152 is the top section. There's those coordinates there, 113947, and the other one is here, 113947. So you can see it's actually reversed the numbering system of the file. But you would only do that if you know what you're doing and you really need a Mike 11 export, which very few people need these days. Thank you for the moment.